Hello, guys and girls. I hope you all are doing great amidst this pandemic and keeping yourself and your family safe. A lot of things was going on into my life and was feeling extremely low lately, and I decided to go on makeup therapy. And yeah, come on, let's get started. For this, I'll be using a concealer and a flat brush, and I'll apply it over my lids. With the beauty blender, I'll dab it. It is a compact powder to set it. I'll highlight the corners of my eyes by using a pink eyeshadow. And now I'm going to draw a hollow eyeliner. Okay, now come for the lips. I'll be concealing it first. With the beauty blender, I'll dab it. I'll outline my lips now with a black liner. Yep, that's how it is, easy and quick. Now let me know in the comment section below whether it is a hit or miss. And I'll be meeting you people on the next video. Till then, stay good, stay